start our journey of learning. So I gave any homework. Rupa, your hair is so beautiful, so nice.
God, thank you.
I love your hair, really. I love your hair. Thank you so much.
Okay, ma'am. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I think. 10 times
Wow.
done.
Great. Next.
Next, I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen.
Very nice. Smart. You are really very smart. And the next, third one.
Cooks cook cupcakes quickly. Cooks cook cupcake quickly. Cooks cook cupcakes quickly.
We all scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw kitten 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 eating. Cooks cook cupcakes quickly. Cooks cook cupcakes quickly. Cooks cook cupcakes.
First is ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. And third is cooks cook cupcake easily. Cooks cook cupcakes.
Say again.
Cooks cook cupcakes quickly. Cooks.
Vocabulary here. We are learning vocabulary. And very common words we are using daily. We shall be replacing them from today onwards. And we shall be using some extra words here so that our communication can get a very good track. The next word is furious. What is written about the furious? Move beyond very angry. By using furious, which suggests an intensity of anger that is often uncontrollable or explosive. That means furious not only simple anger, it is a very extremely very big anger. Very hazardous. We can say in lieu of very smart, we can say brilliant. You are so smart. You can say you are so brilliant. Write down. Upgrade from very beautiful by using exquisite, which conveys a sense of extreme beauty, often marked by indicate detail or complexity. Often marked by intricate detail or complexity. Exquisite. Its meaning is very beautiful. Its word meaning is very constant. Very constant means what? You see, rather than very constant, opt for incessant to indicate an uninterrupted and often annoying persistence. That means incessant means very constant. That means continuous. Okay, continuous.
Okay, constant means continue.
Yes, constant. Very, yeah. And its meaning is very dirty. Rather than saying very dirty, use filthy to denote an extreme level of dirtiness or uncleanliness. Ravenous. R-A-V-E-N-O-U-S. Ravenous means very hungry. We are using always very hungry. I'm hungry. You are hungry, like that. And we can say from today onwards, we are feeling ravenous. Exhilarated. Exhilarated means, what is the exhilarated? Instead of very excited, use exhilarated to denote a heightened state of excitement, often filled with enthusiasm and high spirits. Desolate. To express more than just very lonely, use desolate to signify a sense of emptiness and abandonment. Okay? Desolate. To express more than just very lonely, use desolate to signify a sense of emptiness and abandonment. Very hungry, filthy, very dirty, incessant, very constant, exquisite, very beautiful, brilliant, very smart, furious, very angry, and ecstatic, very happy. My first question to you is, you have gone to school and there you saw that suddenly you discovered that in your bag the tiffin box was not there. Okay, and you were feeling very hungry. At that time, what will be doing? Say in 2 minutes. No need to finish your answer in just a second. You spend your time in be comfortable and reply it carefully.
If I forget my lunchbox at my home, then what I will do? Like, first of all, my friends is also there in my school. If I didn't got lunch at my school, then they will insist me to eat lunch, to have meal with them. So they will do the same thing. Like, if anybody else does this, like who forgot their lunch box at their home, then I also give them my food. So they will also do the same. But if like I had fight with them, like I don't want to eat with them, so what I will do, like there is a facility in my school. We can, if there is any urgent call, like if you have to go at home and if you have to buy anything, if you if you forgot your lunch, then we can call at our home and we can tell them, like to my mother. I can tell to my mother or anybody who is present at my home. I can tell them to bring my lunch box at my school. So I will call at my home and then I will say them that please bought my lunch, and then my mother will give me my lunch. Then I can eat it.
Very good, very good, nice. At least 2 minutes you have talked, very nice. Yes? You gone to the duty office and there you see a person is talking with you in English, and he really doesn't know Hindi, and he is really that much willing to buy your product, anything, whatever it is. Okay, so at that time he is only about to only talking in English. He doesn't know anything about Hindi, but he is really willing to buy your product, whatever the thing is. Willing means he wants to buy. He wants to buy your product. So at that time, how you will sell to that person your product? How will handle that situation?
I will try to speak Hindi little bit. जितनी भी मुझे आती उसको क्या बोलते हैं? No matter what is my communication, what is my English level, but I will try to speak a little bit. And if he didn't understand what I am understanding him, and then I will do one thing. I get my voucher, my offers, my क्या बोलते हैं उसको, जो उसको होता है रेवेन्यू, मतलब जिसपे सारी डिटेल्स लिखी रहती है, चार्ट टाइप का. एंड आई विल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड हिम इन शॉर्टकट. And
very good, very good. That means you will be trying from your own side. Yeah. You have tried a lot, no? That's why it's really very good. You are trying. And one thing is that you will be trying to talk with him in English, Hindi, and again you will be showing him some charts and all, so that he can understand. After that, if he doesn't understand, then only you will call your managers so that they can make him understand and he can get to know everything about your product. Very good, nice.